Good morning, everyone. My name is Remark Emil Carti, BSISM intern. I'm going to discuss the parts and function. First, exterior function of this car. First, headlight. This.
Kana ba? Ha?
This is headlight. So, headlight helps you to see the road at night or in the dark places. Next, license plate. So, this is the license plate. Shows the car's registration number for identification. Next, indicator light. So, this is the indicator lights. Uh, uh, Banks to show the direction if you want to left or right when turning. So this one. So windshield. So windshield, this is one. Is what we call windshield. So windshield, the front glass that protect the drivers and passenger from wind, dust, and debris. So next, outside mirror. So this is the outside mirrors. Let the driver see the vehicle or object at the side behind. So six, door handle. So this one, a door handle used to open and close the car door. So next, wheel support. So this is one wheel support. Uh, Help the car move and support the vehicle weight. So next, window. So allows you to see. So Windows allows you to see outside and can be opened for air. Next, roof. This is one. This is roof. The top parts of the car that protects passenger from sand and air. The second part is the interior function. So first, steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel used by the driver to control and turn the direction of the car. Next, speedometer. So shows how pulse and car is movement. Next, accelerator gas. This one is the accelerator gas. Make the car go fast when fast. Next, ignition key. So this one is the ignition key. Used to start the car. Next is the seat belt. So this is one is the seat belt. So keep the driver and passenger safe during sudden stop or accident. Next is the gear shift. So this one is the gear shift used to change gear or driver's reverse or neutral. So handbrake. So this one is the handbrake. So handbrake keeps the car from moving when parking. So next, rear view mirror. Rear view mirror. So this is the rear view mirror. Let the driver see the road and vehicle behind the car. So last is the horn. Horn. This one is the horn used to alert or warn other drivers or people on the road. And that's all for today. Thank you.